Hi guys, so something funny happened today. Let's find out. Hang out with me and let's find out what exactly happened. Guys, bonjour. This is just a random day in my life as a student living in Paris. I just closed from my part-time work, and guys, let me explain something to you. I picked the bus from Parc Monceau where I work, and then it was supposed to drop me at Madeleine. Tell me why this driver bypassed my stop and dropped me at the next stop. Meanwhile, I pressed the button, Arrête du monde. Yet, this driver, I don't know whether he was sleepy, I don't know whether he was tired, because we were like three people who wanted to drop at the same place. We all pressed the button. He still went ahead to just bypass our. So I said, okay, while he dropped me, I saw a park here, and I said, okay, let me come and sit down here, take a rest, and then continue with my journey. Guys, so this is what happened. But apparently the driver apologized to us, which was gladly accepted. So after I landed on the park, I said, why not turn it into a day in my life, just a random day in my life? So I started vlogging, and it was an interesting one. So stay and let's go through my day together. Don't quit. Let's stay together and see the end, what happened throughout my day. This is just me on the park, just doing some outfit check. An unexpected vlog, but I still have to do outfit check, you know. So I stood up like, okay, let me just show you guys what I'm wearing, and we move on with our day. A super random day in my life in Paris, in my life in Paris. I need to cross, go this direction, or yes, I think it's here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm currently waiting for my metro. I'm taking Metro 8 to Créteil Soleil. I got a few stuff from the mall, and I think I want to go and exchange it. Course, it looks so bigger and I need to change, so I'm going to Créteil Soleil right now. So talk to you guys later. So I bought this corn on my way to the mall. I couldn't resist. It's summer and that means corn season, so I had to grab one before heading to the mall. Finally made it to Zara because I needed to exchange a jacket I bought the last time. The size was way too big. Fingers crossed they have my size today. I went straight to the jacket section, and thankfully they had it in my size this time. So I had the right size this time. So after, I decided to browse through some of their new pieces, but hey, I didn't buy anything. Finally back home, and I decided to make a simple dinner. Stir-fried veggies with sausages, carrots, cucumber with green pepper, and some crispy French fries on the side. So it's quick, easy, and just delicious, and I love that recipe. So anytime I feel weak, I feel tired, that's what I make. It's just quick and simple. You can add this recipe to your recipes because it's quite easy, quite simple, and it's easy going, you know. Just watch till the end and see how it came out, so that next time that you feel like tired, weak, or maybe you feel like you don't want to cook something too serious, you just do this and you are good to go. Added some of my favorite spices to the food, and the aroma in the kitchen, I love these spices, you know. I think it's parsley, mint, and garlic, other natural spices mixed together. I bought it from Duclair. and I'm going to go back there to look for them again because they are too good for meals. So I love them. Yeah. Guys, look at that. Just look at how it came out. Yo, just try this recipe at home and come back to the comment section. Just come back and just me your experience. I'll be waiting. Hi guys, so I've not been talking to you throughout the cooking period. That's because I was super tired and super hungry. But now the food is ready and I've already shown it to you guys, right? So I made fries and some vegetables, but I prefer mine stir fried. That's why you saw me going up and down preparing it. So I made stir fries and then dinner done, and now it's time to just chill, sitting on the couch with my laptop, catching up some editing, and that's how an unplanned day turned into a little adventure. Sometimes it's the unexpected moments that makes the best memories. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next vlog.